y'all? It's your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. Y'all, okay, so first and foremost, it's a work in progress all back there. So focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Anywho, what's up, y'all? I hope everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, you know, loving on your friends and family, pouring into the people that are pouring into you. As you can tell from the title, we have a wig review, y'all. And I'm super excited about this one. And it's coming from Keswigs. Okay, so I matched the box, y'all. Hold on. I gotta take a picture like this. Because I matched the box. I didn't even realize I matched the box. This is not done on purpose. Let's get into it. Let's pop Miss Girl open. It's a 13x6 lace. And it has bleach knots already. Now, we finna see. Undetectable laces, top Swiss lace. There's a pre-plucked hairline. 180% density. 30 inches. Let's just get into it, y'all. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. I didn't realize there was stuff under it. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a little crimper. Okay, so it can be a curling iron and a crimper, y'all. I ain't never seen nothing like this. How you do it again? Hold on. Hold on. Bam. Okay. Okay, Keswigs. Okay, we have the little band for the laying of the lace. It's a little bag to store the unit in. It comes with a wig cap. And, okay, a little iridescent pack coming on. Oh. They got the wig band in there. Okay. Bobby pins. Edge brush, of course. Okay, Keswigs. They got the clip, the diamond clip. And they have tweezers. Okay, I can try to use their tweezers, okay? Y'all came through. Okay. So let's get into the unit. I almost cussed. Let me take the net off, y'all. So, look at this lace, y'all. And it was right, the knots are bleached. It's a medium-sized cap. I consider myself to kind of have a big head, so we'll see. Oops. Okay, glad that was just the paper. Okay, so we got this Swiss lace, of course. 13x6. And then it has the combs here, and in the middle, and in the back. It also already comes with the wig band that you can adjust. That's definitely going to help with the glueless effect. It's so soft and full. It's 26, 28, and 30 inches. So that's why you see the layers in it. Which I love. Y'all, let's get to it. Because I'll be all day. So let's go ahead and get Miss Girl together.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. I just want your time. I just want your time. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. want your time. I don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. In the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, long as you spend a little time. I just want your time. I just want your time. I don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be.
Yeah. Look at this hair. This is a little. Y'all, I'm just done with myself right now. Overdone. Like, first of all, I didn't have to do much to the part at all. Like the knots, like I had told y'all in the beginning, they came bleached. So it was minimal tweezing. And it's giving really like a natural part, to be completely honest. It's giving a really natural part. And then get into the pre-plucked edges. Like if I wanted to, I can do a ponytail and not have to worry about it looking like choppy or anything like that. I would have to brush it up, of course. But look at it. It's giving natural hairline. Like all I would have to do is put like some edge glue on it to hold it down. It's giving natural. Then it's like 180% density. And I know what you're thinking, like with a unit that long, it's 30 inches, but I think the layers are 26, 28, and 30. That it would have to be more dense to be more full. No. No, not at all. It's like super full, super thick. Yeah. Okay, Keswigs. Y'all came through. Okay. So what I'll do, y'all, is make sure to link below the direct link to this unit. Woocha. It's a mirror right here. So I'm just in the mirror posing. It's really giving natural. Like, I feel like this is coming out of my head. The color is black. Now, if this would have been like in a natural color, like a 1B, this would definitely look like my hair. Because of how natural it's this lace for me, y'all. It's this lace. It really is. What do y'all think? Are y'all feeling it? Let me know. Woo, chat. I'm gonna be in the mirror all day, y'all. Stiff where? But anywho, like I said, I'll make sure to leave down below the direct link to this unit. And what I also do is make sure to leave a little coupon code so that you can save some money on your order. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you comment down below what your thoughts are. Are y'all feeling it? I am, if y'all can't tell. But make sure that y'all share this video for people who are looking for like units, super easy installs. Like, because y'all know I love a throw and go. Y'all know I love a glueless unit. And this is it. This is it. Like, I can take this off and put it back on. Like, it's hot. Like, this California heat is not playing. So I can put on whatever I want to put on, and then when it's time to take it off, I can take it off and hang it up. Period. So if anyone is looking for simple, easy installs, make sure you share this video with them. Or if you just want to look at me, that's fine too. But I want to thank you guys so much for your love. Thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace and Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.